Hi there, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make this lovely flay skirt. You can use this flay skirt tutorial to achieve a lot. You can use it to achieve this trade. You can actually use it to make a ball wedding dress, and also with the flay beneath the wedding dress. So as you can see, so let's get into it, guys. Here is the flay. I already folded this into four. As you can see, this is into four. One part is folded into two before I fold it again. That gives us this triangular shape. So here is the down part of the folded area. So that is where I'll be starting the measurements from. I'll take my measuring tape and then I'll start from the 1 inches down to 42 inches thereabouts. Yes, 42 inches. So I'll outline that. After outlining it, I'll take my measuring tape again and then I'll take it down to where I mark that 42 inches. Whatever you have there, you take it round like so. So as you can see me doing, I'll take this inches I'm having here round. That is after you might have, discover the length, which includes the main length of the skirt and includes your sewing allowance. So this is 17 inches. I'll pass it round, and note that the actual skirt measurement from your actual waistline is what I am talking about, your actual waistline. And this is a high waist skirt. I'll be cutting a band later on for the high waist from your actual waistline downwards to your to your length, to the length of the skirt. So from the upper area now, I'll then take the measuring tape again, and then I'll start it up from the upper area, then I'll end it right here on the down part, and then I'll pass whatever I have there to this other side, as you can see me doing. So whatever you have here, what I'm having here now for the length I got from the other side is 58 inches. So I'll pass this round now just to form that circle. Remember, we are not taking it from the actual waistline, we're taking it from the upper, from the upper where the triangular shape starts. So I'll pass everything around now, so it's we get, this is the down part I am trying to make now. Just make sure whatever you're doing here, you're taking your time to get the main circle skirt. This is the beauty of the skirt you're making, so you don't want one side to be longer than the other side. So this is why I'm making this. You can see how wide it is looking already. So that's all about the drawing part of it. So I'll start by cutting it out now. As you can see me doing, I'll use my scissors and then I'll cut it out. So I've shaved this part. Now the next thing I will be doing is cutting up the upper side of the skirt. This is into four. As you can see, one side is folded and just one, we have just one slit open in this cone now we are having here. So if you've gotten to this stage and you enjoyed this tutorial so far, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you get to see more videos like this. So I'll cut up the upper area now, which is that waistline, the actual waistline I said earlier. So now I'll open it wider now so you can see how it is looking. But before that, I will measure it again. This is actually the length I am, I want to achieve. So this is it. You can see how wide that is looking. So you can actually use this for the down part of your wedding dress. As I've said earlier, even your train. So all you just need to do for the train, you open it like so. This is into two right now as I've opened it. So you take the slitted side, you start it up from the one part of your waistline. As you can see on the screen, you can use this to sew as many styles and dresses as you want, so it gives that lovely shape. So depending on the material, and again depending on the fabric length you're having, so depending on the length you want to achieve. So that's all about the cutting. So here is the part where I have ironed the band, which is the waistband I said earlier, and this is the waistband. This is 3 inches in length. So, and all the waistline included with sewing allowance for the zip. So I already ironed it with interfacing, and I folded the center parts, which I'll be joining later on, so which I'll be showing you also. So now this is it. And here is the skirt. I don't know if you all have watched my previous pleated skirts about crop and skirts. If you haven't watched it, I will put it on the comment section so you get to see how to do and go about it. So this is where I've added the pocket. I've added the pocket, and here is the inches before I added the pocket, which is 3 inches before the pocket. So I'll be joining the zipper now on this area, and this is also where I'll be starting the band from. So what I did, I slitted the the skirt into two. It was one slit, so I slitted the other side, and I joined everything including the two-sided pocket. So I won't be adding any zip at the back or at the front, so I'll be adding the zip at the side of this skirt, which is going to be on the pocket area, which is why you need to see the other tutorial just so you can get a better clue and understanding on how to go about it. This is the finished part. You can see it on the screen, so it's not really giving. You can see the pocket, you can see the zip, so you can see everything in details on how I achieve it. So check out my comment section and watch how I go about the sewing, so you can get a clue and better understanding on how I got to this point. So I'm just here to just show you how you can cut it, so it is just a bonus for this sewing part. So if you enjoyed this so far, kindly give this video a thumbs up, turn your notification bell on, subscribe to my channel, like, comment under this post. Until I see you again in the next one. Bye.